Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the video faster in Capcut. So here I've already opened my Capcut, and then I'm going to add a new video, this one for example, and this video is 10 seconds long, and then I'm going to make it faster. So I'm going to show you how. Just click on the video here and then click on speed at the bottom. At the toolbar menu, click on speed and then click on normal, and you can choose the speed that you want to add into the video. So for example, I'm going to choose 2 times speed, and then click on check icon, and then as you can see, the video is now 6 seconds long, 4 seconds long. And then if you want to make it more faster, click on speed again and then normal, and then I'm going to add it into 3 times faster, 3.5. click on check again, and then just like that, the video has become faster. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can make the video faster in Capcut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.